I'm going to be showing you how to see upvoted posts on Reddit. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So to see the posts you've upvoted on an iPhone, the first thing you need to do is use the Reddit app. So this first step is to open the Reddit app. Just be on your app library and search for Reddit. As you can see, it's right there at the top. Just go ahead and open it. And once you've done so, what you need to do is tap on the profile icon right there at the top right. Just go ahead and tap here. After you've done so, you need to tap on your profile, which is right above create your profile. Just go ahead and tap here. And now you'll be able to see all the posts and comments you have upvoted. So if you can't see them, then it's probably hidden in your settings. So what we need to do is go back and tap on the profile again and tap on settings now. And after you've done so, you need to tap on your username right there at the top and scroll down till you find the option that says downvoted posts or hide upvoted. So make sure you turn that off, and after you've done so, you would successfully be able to see your upvoted posts on Reddit. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.